Okay, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, madam.
What is your name?
My name is Pikashi Selim.
Okay, and what is your role in the school?
I am the head mistress of Messi International School.
Okay, about how many pupils do you have?
We have around 250 for the moment.
250, okay. About how many teachers?
All the classes have their teachers, around 8 teachers from nursery to the primary.
Okay, okay. So what would you say is the biggest need of the school?
Here in Messi International School, there are many problems because the children, first of all, they are francophones. So our main problem here is to really put in the English to them, but it is really difficult. So we want them to be English children, but in that way it is difficult. So we also need the school itself, that's help, in order that the children should grow in an English way of education. So it is really difficult to put this English, but we are doing our best. And we also want the school, Messi International School, to grow from the nursery, primary, and why not a college. So our cry this time is the college, that we are really begging if the proprietor can provide us with the college. So like in the nursery, presently we don't really have the nursery games. They are not really available. So we need all those things, didactic materials, even from abroad, that can help us for our school to grow. And it is really a school with a different, because it is a school since for about 4 years that we are together. The class 6, they are only scoring 100% in first school, 100% in the common entrance examination. So it is really a school with a different. And the school year, the school fee here is really moderate. But we have those difficulties that the parents, they don't really want to pay. So it's really difficult for us. There are many parents. For example, last year, a parent in class 6, the child school for the whole year and went away with the school fee like that. There are many parents that are unable to pay the school fee. So we are really doing our best. It's not really easy.
Okay. Any last words?
I'm very happy. I'm very happy because immediately you people came, the children were very happy. They already put in their head that they are going to film them. So that is why it was really difficult for us to arrange them on the line. So we really need this type of help every time. Just the fact that we came, we really need that with time we should be coming like that. So that we should be able to improve in this school.
Well, thank you very much. I see all the kids are scrambling in that one. That's the only toy they seem to have.
The only nursery game we have for the moment.
Well, thank you very much for your time. All the best.